Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Now it's not visible.
Okay. Now it's okay, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
See, actually, we were talking about we were talking about the types of relation, right? Reflexive
Yeah.
relation, symmetric relation, and transitive relations, right?
Transitive relation.
So these
Yes, sir.
three relations, these three types of relation, we did discuss. But last relation, this is transitive. You guys did not understand, right? Acha, reflexive and symmetric. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
have
Yes,
any
sir.
problem? Then you can ask me. Reflexive and symmetric.
No, sir.
No,
Reflexive and
no, sir. It
symmetric.
was.
No,
Okay,
sir.
if you do not have any problem, then you tell me what is reflexive relation.
Sir, if A comma B belongs to R, then A comma A belongs to R. That is
Exactly.
called
Very good. See here. What is, see, just we will revise reflexive. What is saying that if A comma B is element of R, A comma B is element of R, okay, then what we can say, then we can say that A comma A is element of R, right now? A comma
Yes,
A
sir.
is element of R.
yes, sir.
A comma A is element of R. This is what? This is nothing but reflexive
Reflective.
relation. Understood?
Relation.
Janvi, can you
Yes, sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So actually what I'm going to do, listen everyone. Actually, last class, yesterday she was present in the class, okay. But the thing is that I told her that tomorrow we'll start type of relation, and the thing is that I taught you people, okay, but she doesn't know even means what we can say in type of relation. She does not know. So what I am going to do? Let me start, okay. Just 5 minutes you give me, okay. Then after we will start our today's topic, okay. So
Yes,
see,
sir.
here what is
Yes.
reflexive relation, okay. What is reflective? See here. A reflective relation. See, what is reflective relation? If all of you just listen to me, if A comma B, if A comma B is element of R, we will read this symbol element of R, okay. Either belongs to, you can also read, okay. So A comma B is element of R, then what we can say? Then A comma A is also element of R. That is reflexive relation. Understood my point? That is what? A reflexive relation. Clear? A comma B is element of R, then A comma A belongs to R, means element of R,
Yes.
okay. Means what we have to do, listen here, what we have to do, this first this first number means A, you have to just write, we have to 2 times, okay. Means see here, instead of writing B, I have written A. That's it. Means A comma A is element of R. That is only a reflexive relation. Is it clear? Okay. One example
Yes.
I will tell you, by that you guys can understand. By that you can understand. See here, let us, one relation is there, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 1 comma 3, and 2 comma 1. This is relation, okay. And you have to tell that this relation is reflective relation or not. For that, how you will check it? You will check, see how. This is first element, this is called first element, second element, third, fourth, and fifth. There are 6 elements. Clear? Okay. So 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1. Yes, means what? This first one, I
Yes.
just repeat. Okay, so 1 comma 1. Then after you can see here 2. I am repeating this. Once I repeat, then after you have to see, is this element of relation or not? Is this element of R or not, which is given? Now you see that relation is already given, okay? And whatever you are getting, now you have to see this term, right? Term is element 1 comma 1 is there or not? Yes, it is there. That's it. 2 comma 2, it is there. Yes. Then after 3 comma 3, is it there? Yes, there. Then
Yeah.
after 1 comma 3 means 1 comma 1, is it there? Yes, here. Then after 2 comma 1 means 2 comma 2, is it there? Yes. Means all the
Yes,
elements are element of the given relation, right? So we can say that this is reflexive relation. Getting my point, everyone? Getting my point? Getting everyone? Hope you all
Yes,
of us
sir.
get it. Okay. Means nothing to do.
yes, sir.
Simply what has to be done? First, first element you repeat. First you repeat. Okay. हर एक एलिमेंट में पहला को रिपीट करो. Understood? हर एक एलिमेंट में पहला को रिपीट करो. Means what you have to repeat? 1 you have to repeat, 2 you have to repeat. After that you have to see that is this in the relation or not. If it is in the relation, you can say. The thing is that all the elements you have to check. It is not that one you have checked. No, every you have to check. And if it is even one element is not in the relation, then we can say that this is not reflective relation. Clear? सभी का सब आना चाहिए. Have you understood, everyone? Nobody is replying, man.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting?
Yes, sir.
Then tell. Okay. So one more question I am giving you, and you guys have to tell that. Listen here. R1 is equals to 1 comma 1. Okay. 3 comma 3. 2 comma 1. Okay. And 6 comma 2. Right. 6 comma 2. Now you tell this relation is reflective or not. You guys have to tell this relation is
No, sir.
reflective or not. Huh? This is
No,
reflective
sir.
or
It is
not?
not reflective.
This is not reflective.
No, sir.
Very good. This is not reflective. Okay. So how, Janvi, are you getting this? Are you getting this? You tell.
Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. Not getting. See here. You tell. This is reflective relation. Is it reflective? For reflective, what we will do? Element first 1 comma 1. 1 को repeat करो. Yes, 1 is there. That is belong to the relation. Yes, true. Then after 3 comma 3, yes, this is also element of this relation, so we can say yes, it's okay. Then after 2 comma 1 means 2 comma 2, is it there? 2 comma 2 is there in the relation? No, it is not
No.
there. Means 2 comma 2 is
No, sir.
not element of R. If it is not element of R, then in that case you can say here itself that this is not a reflective function. Not reflective function. Clear? Need not to be checked this one. Need not to be checked this one. Because why? Even though if you have got one element, right? One element, after doing operation of one element, if you are not getting in the relation, then there itself you can decide this function is reflexive or not. Okay. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear
Yes, sir.
Yes,
to
sir.
all of you. Okay, very good. Okay. Now next relation is which one? Now next relation is which one? Then
Symmetric relation.
yes, symmetric relation. So
Symmetric
all of you
relation.
just see what is symmetric relation. Symmetric relation is also very easy. Symmetric relation. So symmetric relation is what? See here. If what we can say, if A comma B, listen everyone, if A comma B is element of R, if A comma B is element of R, okay, then we can say what? We can say what? B comma A is element of R. Okay, if it is, then you can say that this is what? This is symmetric relation. Okay, then we can say what? This is symmetric relation. Is it clear or not? Is this clear or not? All of you turn on your video. All of you turn on your video. What it means? It means that, listen here. It means that, example, listen. All of you just listen. Example. 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is element of R. Okay. 1 comma 2 is element of R. 1 comma 2 is element of R. Okay. Then what we can say? We can say that 2 comma 1 is also element of R. Understood? Means if 1 comma 2 is element of R, means 1 comma 2 belongs to the relation, then 2 comma 1 should also belong to the relation. Then we can say that this is symmetric relation. Understood? So this is how we can understand. Understood? This is how we can understand that this is symmetric relation or not. So now I am giving you one relation, okay, and you have to tell this is symmetric relation or not. Okay, so let us see here, and you have to tell. I will not tell you first. You have to tell the answer. Okay, so see, relation 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Okay, then after 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 1, right? This is the relation. Okay, and now you tell me, student, that this is symmetric relation or not. You have to tell. You have to tell. All of you, see what we have to do. I am giving you help. We have to
This
check
is not
every
symmetric
element.
relation.
We have to listen.
No,
We have to
sir.
check every element. Even though if you are not getting even single element, okay, then you can say that this is not symmetric relation. Okay.
Symmetric.
So this is what? Is it symmetric?
No.
No, sir.
This is no,
Okay.
sir.
Okay,
This
very
is
good.
not symmetric.
So let me check. Let me check how it is. Okay. So see here. 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 is belongs to, means is element of R. Then definitely just interchange. Understood? A replace B and B replaced with A. So 1 comma 1. Is it element of R? Is this element of
Yes.
R? Yes, this is element of
Yes,
R.
sir.
So that is true. Okay. So first element we have checked successfully. So first element we have checked successfully. So there is no problem in that. Means first one. Understood? Now second element you see 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 is element of R. Okay. So definitely A will be replaced by 2 and 2 will be replaced by what? 2 means
One.
AB and BA. Getting my point? Getting my point? Are bhai,
Yes,
this one A,
Yes,
B,
sir.
then BA. That's it. So here
BA.
2, yeah, 2 comma 2. Yes, element of R. That is available. Okay. Now you just check 3 comma 3. That will be also, because same it is na. A and B both are same. So there is no problem in that also. Now need to check this one. 1 comma 3.
Yes, sir.
1 comma 3 is element of R. Then what we can say? 3 comma 1 should also be
One.
element of
One.
R. But the thing is that 3 comma 1 does not belong to this relation.
Belongs to R.
Yes, right? So this is not symmetric relation. Getting my point, everyone? This is not symmetric relation. So now here itself we have got that this is not symmetric relation. So need not to be checked next element. Need not to check next element. Even though if you want to check, you check it. But need not to check. Because why? Because we have got one element we have got. This element right now means 1 comma 3 is element of R. So what should be there? 3 comma 1 should also be element of R, but it is not there. If it is not there, then there itself you can say that this is not symmetric relation. Hope it is clear to all of you. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood? So all of you
Yes,
keep in
sir.
mind that you have to check all the elements, okay? And even if you are not getting even single element, now there itself you can decide that this function is not symmetric relation. Understood? Okay, one more question I am giving you. Just let me know fast.
Yes, sir.
Relation is given, and that relation is let's say. Wait a minute. Yeah, 1 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 2 comma 1, and 6 comma 2. You tell me, this relation is symmetric relation or not? Is it symmetric relation? Is this symmetric relation? Can you?
No, sir.
This is not symmetric relation. Okay, very good. So now you have to check. One, see here, 1 comma 1, definitely this will be there, need not to be checked. This also be there because A and B both are same. And now that is the question, 2 comma 1, see here. So 2 comma 1 is element of R, then what should be there? Then 1 comma 2 should
1 comma
also
2.
be element of R. So now you have to check that 1 comma 2 is there in the relation. No, it is not there. If it is not there, here itself we can decide this is not symmetric relation. Hope it is clear to you. Janvi, Nitam, Arya,
Yes, sir.
Devanshu, all of you, is it clear to you? All of you turn on
Yes,
your
sir.
Is this clear? Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now we will see
Yes,
that.
sir.
Now we will see this. What?
Yes, sir.
Last, this one is transitive relation. Okay. Transitive relation, that relation is very important, right? And that is also conceptual. Okay. So make sure everyone paying your attention. See here. Transitive relation. So now you tell me, what is transitive relation? Actually, I taught. First, I have already taught to you guys, okay? So you must know that. What is transitive relation? If transitive relation,
If A comma B belongs
yes,
to R and
exactly.
B
A comma B belongs to R,
then
A
A
comma
comma
C
C
belongs to
belongs
R,
to
then
R.
A comma C
Good.
belongs to R.
Yes. A comma B is element of R, okay? And B comma C is also element of R. Try to understand. A comma B is element of R and B comma C is element of R. Then you can say that this one A comma C should be element of R. A comma C should be what? Element of R. Getting my point? Again, I'm replicating this. Listen, everyone. A comma B. Then what we have to do? This one B. You have to start in this element with a B. Okay. So you can see here. This is B and this is B. Okay. Means A comma B. Then B comma C. You have to start from B comma C. Then you can say that A comma C is element of R. A comma C is element of R. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. So one example I am giving you. By that you can understand. See here. If all of you just listen, what example we will see. Then after we'll solve one question. By that our concept will be clear. Okay. So see. So if 1 comma 2. Listen, everyone. 1 comma 2 element of R. Okay. Then what should be there? Definitely 2, 4. Let us one example is element of R. Okay, means 1, 2 is element of R and 2, 4 is element of R. Then what we can conclude? Then we can say that 1, L, 1, 4 means A, C. Understood? A, C means 1, 4 is element of R. Understood? And this, if it is in the relation, if it is in the relation, then you can say that this is transitive relation. Clear my point? Clear my point? So let us one example. Let us one example do. See, one example. One relation is there. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, and 2, 1. Now you have to tell how many elements are there in the relation? 2, 2, 4, 5, right? So 3, 2, 5, yes. Now you have to tell student that is it transitive? Is it transitive?
Yeah.
Is it transitive relation? But directly you can't say, man. You have to check. It is not that you have seen and you can tell very fastly. Yeah, that much fastly, of course, you can do. But the thing is that for that you will have to be, means more experienced, right? Means how you will get that when you solve more and more questions, then after you can get that. See here, so what we have to do? Everyone listen. 1, 1, 1, 1 means A, B. Okay. Then we have to start from B, C. So B, C means 1, comma. Okay. 1, what? Now you tell. Now you have to see.
3.
Now you have to see which element is starting from 1 in the given relation. That is 3 only, right now? So 1, 3. Okay. So now you have to see A, B and B, C. Then what should be there? A, C means 1, 3
A, C.
is in the relation. Now you tell, is it in the relation? 1, 3. Yes, absolutely it is there. Getting my point? It is there. 1, 3 is in the relation. Means 1, 3 is element of R. Right? So first is clear. Okay. Every element need to be checked. Each and every element you have to check. 1, 2 is over. Now let us move to 2, 2. 2, 2. Then after 2, means you have to check that element which is starting from 2. So let us starting from 2. Yes, 2, 1 is there. Okay. A, B, B, C. Then A, C means 2, 1. Now you tell, is it in the relation? Absolutely, it is there, right? So yes.
Yes.
Means now, till now, everything is okay. Okay. So now you have to check this one. Now you have to check this one. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. And you have to element, you have to see that element which is starting from 3. Is there any element? No. Means 3, 3. Right now, 3, 3 is there. So 3, 3. So is there any element in the relation which is starting from 3? There is no pair. No, there is no pair. Means there is no such element, right? If it is not there, it's okay, no problem. If it is not there, need not to worry. Understood my point? Then you just move ahead. So next, what is that? 1, 3. So now you check 1, 3. Then after you have to see 3, 3, any element which is starting from 3. Yes, 3, 3 is there. Okay. So 3, 3. Then after what we can write? 1, 3. Is it in the relation 1, 3? Yes, it is in the relation.
Yes.
Clear? Then after 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
1. Then after 1, 1, the element you have to start from 1, 2. 2, 1. Then is there any element which is starting from 1? Yes, 1, 1. Right now?
Yes.
1,
Yes, 1,
1, 3.
1, 3 is also there.
Now one.
2, 1. 2 means 2, 1. So 1, 1.
Sir,
So you
two
can see
situation is there. Then
2, 1. Understood? Clear?
sir, if two elements will be there, then Which one will we choose?
So,
Which one we
relation
will
will be
choose?
given in that type of relation will be given in the question. Okay. Getting my point? That question you also asked, before itself also. Okay. So that kind of question will be given. That will be the arrangement of questions. Okay. For that, you don't worry. So now you can see here. Here you can see clearly that here all the possible pairing in R means all the possible pairing in R. Yes, it is in the relation. See, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. If pair is not there, then leave it, omit, no problem. 1, 3. So every possible pair is in the relation. So what we can say? It is transitive. So it is transitive. Clear? If pair is not there, we will not consider. Listen here. Its pair is not there. Not consider. Will not consider. Okay. Not consider.
Yes,
Take my point. Not consider.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if only we will prove only one pair transitive and others are not transitive, then it will be transitive or
Not getting
not
your
transitive
question.
relation.
What you are asking?
No, sir. If sir, there are 5 pairs. We have out of 5 we have proved 4 pairs are transitive. If in any question one pair is only transitive and 4 pairs are not transitive, then
No. Are 4
the
pair. That
relation
is,
will be
that's the
transitive.
use. Even one element you are not getting now. Even if you are not getting one element, then you can say this is not transitive.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us see here. 1, 1 is there. Okay. 1, 3 is there. Getting my point? And if you are not getting in the relation 1, 3, then there itself you can say, sir, this is not transitive relation. Then after need not to be checked these all elements, right now. Even if you have got one element, there itself you can decide that this is not transitive. Getting my point?
Yes.
Hope it is clear. This is what your question, right now? Okay. So now you can see, one more interesting questions I am giving you. See here. The time is there. Yes, time is there. See here. Tell me. One relation is there. 1, 1. Okay. 3, 3. Then after 2, 1 and 6, 2. Okay. 6, 2. Is this transitive relation? Tell. Is it transitive relation? Is this transitive relation? Tell everyone. 1, 1. Then what we have to do? You have to check. Is there any element which is
No.
starting from 1? No, it is not there.
No.
Right? So leave
No.
it. No problem. Then after 3, 3, you have to see. You have to check in the relation. Is there any element which is starting from 3? No, it is not there. Cancel it. Getting my point? Okay. Now you have to see 2, 1. Right? 2, 1. Then 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay.
Yes.
So what we can say? Yes, 2, 1. 2, 1 is in the relation.
1.
Yes. Here you can say it is in the relation. So that's okay. Now you have to check 6, 2. 6, 2 means which is starting from 2. Yes, 2, 1. So what we can say? 6, 1. 6, 1 is in the relation? No. It is not in the relation. So here itself you can say that this is not transitive. Not transitive. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Okay, very good.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. This
sir.
is what I was asking, sir.
Okay. Yes, so this is what I explained there only. Okay, one more question.
Yes, sir.
By that, your concept will be,
Yes, sir.
clear. See here, 2, 3 and 4, 2. Is this transitive or not? Is this transitive or not? See what we have to do. 2, 3. You have to check. You have to see, is there any element which is starting from 3? It is there in the relation? No, it is not there. Not there, na?
No.
Is there? No, it is not there, na?
No, sir.
2,
No.
3. So there is no, only 2 elements are there, right now. So there is no such element which is starting from 3.
Yes.
Okay. So we can say, yes, it's okay. Means if there is no pair, need not to worry. If there is no pair, need not to worry. Then after 4, 2, is there any element which is starting from 2? Is there
Yes,
any
sir.
element which is
2,
starting
3.
from?
Yes, 2,
Sorry.
3.
No, this is 5. Wait a minute. This is 5 and this is also 5. Okay. So now you have to see, is there any element which is starting from 5? No, it is not there.
No, sir.
No, it is not there. Okay. If it is not there,
No.
means if there is no pair, listen my point, everyone. If there is no pair, okay, then by default, it will be transitive relation. Always keep in mind. Getting my point? If there is no pair, see, if pair is not there, then this is not my mistake, na? That is the mistake of questions who is given, right? So we should not have any concern. Understood? Simply we have to check. That's it. A comma B, B comma C, or A comma C. That's it. If it is in the relation, then directly you can say, yes, this is the transitive relation. Otherwise, it is not. Clear? Clear
Sir,
my point?
it means if there is no
Yes.
release transitive pair, then it will be a transitive.
Exactly. Means there is no pair. No? Only you can see 2 comma 3 is there. 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5.
Yes.
Okay. And if you see, I have shown you here now. We have discussed here 2 comma 3. Then can we say that 2 comma 3 means, is there any element which is starting from 3? No, it is not there. If it is not there, it's okay, no problem. If it is not given, it's okay, no problem. We don't have any problem. Okay. Then after you have to see 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. Is there any element which is starting from 5? No, there is no element. Only 2 elements are there, right? No. If it is not there, then it is okay. So it is transitive relation. Understood? Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
very
sir.
interesting.
Yes, sir.
That is very interesting story, isn't it? Getting my point, everyone? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we
Yes,
will
Yes, sir.
see the questions. Okay. Hope it is clear. If anybody has any problem, then you can
Yes,
ask
sir.
me. Otherwise, we will bind
Yes,
up the
sir.
class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Right now? Thank you.